All right, here we are in Greenland, and we're going through a passage. I don't know the name of it, but the captain said that the conditions were right, so we're coming through here. This is only the second time he's been through here. It's just spectacular. It's unbelievable. Can't believe I'm here in the middle of Greenland after flying over it numerous times and seeing it from above. Here I am. We're gonna do, I believe he said a hard, I think he said a hard left. So I guess we're not going in there. Look at that. It's amazing. Look at this back there. There's so many places where you get a view like this through the peaks at more peaks behind and just more and more peaks, and most of them are white. And I think we've seen 5 or 6 glaciers on the right side alone. I don't know what was on the left because I've been hanging out over here, starboard. It's just incredible. It really is an amazing trip. This whole trip has just been fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And these little icebergs have been everywhere. Some of them are quite big. You can see them back there. And those are so far away, I would say that they're about the size of, well, they're probably larger than my house, that one right there. I'm guessing, but... And so much rock and green. And, oh, look, the moon's up here. Can you see the moon? I don't know if I see it in the camera. It's it should be right in there somewhere. Oh, there it is. La Luna. Oh, I think we are turning right. Anyway, this is Greenland. Sayonara.